Hi, I'm Peter Haddock, and I'm in one of those security boxes that you'll see on a site. And all of the things that we look at when we're on site, you actually have to get onto site in the first place, and the person that's in there needs to be warm and looked after. Obviously, if you're off-grid and you're on a construction site with no mains power coming in, which is most construction sites that I visit, then you've got to actually put a heater in there, and you've got to power it, and you've got to put lighting in there as well, and you've probably got to put lighting all around the entrance. But folks, we don't want to necessarily start using diesel all the time for that. There's got another solution. And I'm joined here by Simon Meades. Now, Simon, you have talked to me on one of my podcasts, Content with Media podcasts, a while ago, and we talked about hydrogen. Come a little bit closer for us, because inside here, I just want you to look inside here. Basically, these are hydrogen, a bit like your Caligas cylinders, but they're hydrogen. Simon, come in and tell us a little bit more about what this is all about. It's a solar and a hydrogen setup, isn't it?
Yeah, so we are looking to hybridise hydrogen with solar, and also we're looking to implement wind as well to that. This is a 300 watt PV panel, and we can actually extend that.
Right.
So we can add to that. Each one of these cylinders is a storage of 7 kilowatts, and in here we've got 4 cylinders in here, and that's going through a hydrogen fuel cell generator.
Right here, folks, this little thing right down here, little generator for hydrogen. That's fantastic.
That's right. So we're typically replacing the diesel generator that would normally be used for powering a sentry box like this off-grid. The difference, just going over to the hut yourself. Yep. The main difference between this and a standard sentry box is that this has actually been modified, which is really important. We've put double glazing in there, extra insulation. We've stripped out any fluorescent lights, and we've put intelligent controllers and LEDs in there. And we've taken out any convector heater, and we've put a little red rad heater. So we've taken the load right down.
And that's really important. So that what we're fundamentally saying is the hydrogen is replacing the diesel. And if we go further on down here, Simon, what we're seeing is you're shining a light right down here, folks. This is the light we'll be shining by the team through electric power as well. Haven't we? Come here and talk to me about this unit though here, Simon, because we see the familiar red bottle just in there as well. Tell me, what's this all about?
Yeah, so this is the flagship of our fleet. So this has been in development for the last 7 or 8 years now. And it was the first hydrogen-powered tower light. So we've got
up here, folks, right up as we go right up the top here.
Yeah, we've got 4 50-watt LED light heads on there, powered again by the same fuel cell in here as we have on the generator over there.
So fundamentally, folks, what we've got is we've got a hydrogen solution here, completely replacing diesel on site and completely replacing that approach with hydrogen, and allowing us to work through the winter months, also adding in solar, also adding in right down here a battery pack that can give us that lighting and that other additional support. And what that means is we can then progress through to make sites cleaner, folks, and greener. And Simon, if you need to find out a little bit more about what this all means, go on to Content with Media on your podcast channel, Apple or Spotify or any other, and there's a podcast with Simon explaining all how that works. So Simon, still setting up here at Futureworx, but it's great to see you again, and great to see the products finally.
Cheers,
fantastic.
Peter.
Cheers.